Check out unboxing, take one.
Unboxing, take one.
Hello. Today we're doing an ASMR of the Sony mics. When you open a box, you have to sniff it first. It's so hard to just whisper. Why did I come up with this idea? I wonder if you can hear this. Wow. Hello. Wow. It's actually very easy to slide. Top, back, side. You have the Sony logo, and then front. And then in the box, oh my goodness, it's a receiver. This is the front. The back, where the screw goes in, and there you go. Pretty sleek. Okay, so I'm tired of whispering. So we're back to our normal voice. So for this one, we have ECM-W3S. Oh, it's a fluffy little thing. So if I'm not mistaken, this is to block the wind. Next, I'm going to guess that one is the mic and the other one is the receiver. Top and then the back. So I think this is the receiver. Did I score?
No, that's the transmitter.
Whatever. Close. It ends with er. So here they have clips. The furry thing goes on the mic. Oh, there you go. There's a hole. That's where it goes in. Hello. That's how you use it. Next, we have something else. Oh my goodness. This is basically a jewelry box for your Sony One mic. Let me see how it fits in. Yep, perfect fit. Okay, then this goes somewhere here. Ting! Finally, the ECM-W3. Why did they make it so tight? This time we get two fluffy things. Yin and yang. That's the mic. This is the receiver. And then we have another mic. Same as that, just double. So there you have it, the top shot. It looks very nice and neat. And then this goes on the camera. You imagine like so. These are the twin mics. You have the jewelry box. You open it like that. Ching! Will you marry me, Sony? So now I am going to show you how to put this shoe on the foot. Terima kasih. Oh, this is a heavy camera. So these are the little toes. The toes need to go in first. So you just push in the shoe in the foot and there you go. And then when you want to take off your shoe after a long day, you just slide it. Ever so gently slide it. Why can't I slide it? Wait, Actually, I'm scared. I'm scared to slide it, but I will slide it. Hang on, I don't want. I can feel the cage moving. So my other hand will slide. This is my alter ego hand. If I was a boy, it will slide like that. Ching!
Last thing, the transmitter. Try to clip it onto your baju.
So this is the clip. I'm going to clip it on me now. It's very light. Let's see how it, yeah, it doesn't really pull my shirt down, kan? Let's say I want to hide it. Make it commando. Oh my gosh, you know what you can do with this? Okay, hear me out, necktie. And you know how they have that accessory? It can look like a tie clip. Okay, let's say you have like a business interview or whatever. The interviewee has a tie. Hide it like a tie clip. So maybe you should spray paint this silver or gold. This is the ECM-W3S. Finally, we have the ECM-W3. Perfect for a podcast. Thank you so much, Sony. The next thing is we're gonna test this for next shoot. Oh, I forgot. Thank you for joining our ASMR unboxing from Dora.
And Ainsley.
Slate. Same, I'll take one.
Yeah. And then at the front, right?
Okay, take one.
And Cut.
Okay.
Thank you.